everyone, welcome back. I'm Terriell and it is day 14 of our 30-day Pilates journey. Today we're going to be focusing on the Pilates Principle of Centering, which is basically moving everything from a strong and stable center. So that's going to be our theme as we move along. All right, let's get started. Okay, so go ahead and come down to your mat. We're going to start lying down on your back, feet stepping on the mat. Make sure that big toes, ankles, and knees are together, and the arms can come down long by your sides. So let's first pull into the center, so engaging the abdominals by lifting them in and up, and then just cinching from the sides of the waist, and then locking that rib cage down in towards the mat. And then we'll take a big breath in and reach the arms up. Exhale, reach the arms back. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, reach the arms back. Now, as these arms move, you want to make sure that your abs are tight, your center is strong and stable, and it isn't moving at all. So the ribs aren't coming up with those arms. Your arms are moving independently, as of course that center is nice and stable. Let's do one more. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Now lift your head, neck, and shoulders up. We'll inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, reach the arms back. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, reach the arms forward. Now, as you do this, try to keep your head lifted and your shoulders from moving, especially on the reach back. Just moving those arms up and down and breathing, staying tight through the abs. One more set. Arms reach back. Arms reach forward and down. Now go ahead and lower your head. From here, let's pull the knees into the chest. Go ahead and give yourself a hug. And then curl the head, neck, and shoulders up, pulling those knees in tightly to your chest, keeping everything really tight into your center. And now think of sinking your belly button down a little bit more and just feeling out the shape. Where is your back on the mat? The tailbone is pretty heavy. The low back is flattened down. The abdominals are pulling in. You have your rib cage curling off of the mat through the crown of your head with your shoulders just slightly off. And then go ahead and lower that down. And noticing that shape, we're going to come right back into it with the back curling forward and up. And we'll stay here. The back doesn't move. We'll send the arms up. Reach the legs out. Yep, reaching out from that strong center. And now circle the arms around to reach forward. Bend your knees to hug in. Let's do that a few more times. Arms reach back. Legs reach out. Circle the arms around and hug. Now try not to move that back at all. Arms reach back. Legs reach out. Circle the arms around and hug. Two more times. Arms reach back. Legs reach out. Arms circle around and hug in. One more. Arms float back. Legs reach out. Circle the arms around and hug. Lower your head down. Rest your abs for a moment. Now we'll take the hands behind the head, palm over palm with elbows wide, and then go ahead and curl up, head, neck, and shoulders. We'll pull into that center, finding your position, belly in tight, and reach your legs straight up to the ceiling. Now we'll take the legs and lower them down, being careful not to move the back or the head, neck, and shoulders at all, keeping those elbows wide. And then lift the legs up with your abdominals. We'll take the legs down again 4 more times. And lift the legs back up. If this feels too crazy for you, bend your knees and do one like this, tapping your toes down and lifting them up. 3 more. And lift. 2 more. And up. Good. 1 more time. Legs reach down and lift up. Awesome. Pull your knees in. Head can lower. Good. From here, let's rock and roll up to a seated position. And then we're going to take our single leg teasers today. So we've done these before. Let's take the right leg out and make sure those knees are kissing. Stretch your arms out and gaze through your thumbs. From here, round down, slow and controlled. Now squeeze your inner thighs together so that center line of the body is super solid. Reach your arms back. Big breath in. Let's exhale on the way up, rolling through your spine to sit taller. Let's switch the legs right away. So now left leg reaches, squeeze those inner thighs with all your might, roll down. Good, pulling into your powerhouse, into that center. Keep those legs tight as you reach back, the belly tight as you reach back. Send the arms up, lift your head up, and roll up through the spine. Rest now. Go ahead and roll down onto your back, and then pull your knees into the chest. Reach your legs out all the way to 45 degrees, squeezing them tight. Abdominals stay in as you send the arms back behind you. Now we'll teaser one all the way up, rolling through the spine, and then find a stable balance. And go ahead and just squeeze those inner thighs as much as you can here. And then keep your legs frozen in space as you roll down through your spine to the bottom. Let's do that just one more time. Rolling all the way up. Teaser one, lifting the chest at the top, and then slowly down. Keep those legs frozen in space all the way down to the bottom, and reach the arms back. From here, let's hug the knees into the chest, and we'll set up for a few side kicks. So go ahead and lie yourself down on one side. We'll take the legs just slightly in front of you, making sure that you're in one long line from crown of head to tailbone, and that you're pulling up from your lower body so that you are slightly lifted off the mat. And we'll keep this top leg long and reaching. We'll send it forward, kick, kick, reach back. Kick, kick, reach back. And as you do this, keep really strong in the center. Keep your abdominals tight, your chest open and relaxed, and your top shoulder plugged down to keep you stable. Let's do 2 more kicks. And last one here. And now we'll start to circle this leg. Let's do 10 quick. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now let's reverse it. 10, 9, 8, 7. Trying to eliminate any wiggles. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Now go ahead and push yourself up, switching to the other side. Lining up along the edge of your mat, send your legs slightly forward. Okay, now pull into your powerhouse. Let's plug the top shoulder down, strong center. Then we'll reach that top leg and send it forward, kick, kick, to reach it back. Kick, kick, to reach it back. Send it front and send it back, forward and reaching back. Let's go 2 more here, to the front and reach. 1 more time and reach. Now stack the legs. Let's take 10 circles here. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and reverse it. 10 and up. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now from here, let's flip to the stomach. Sending your arms out long in front of you. Keep your nose hovering about 1 inch off the mat, and then just pull into your powerhouse here. The belly button is in towards the spine. Make sure you're centered right on your mat, and then lift your right leg, reaching, reaching, reaching. Now, as you do this, try not to lift that hip as well. You're just extending from your hip so that the leg lifts, but everything else stays planted down. And then go ahead and switch legs. Right leg lowers, left leg lifts up. And switch. And switch. Good. And now we'll lift the upper body off the mat, reaching long. Keep the legs switching. And switch. And we'll start to pick up tempo here, kicking the legs faster. Up, 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 up. And then start to splash those arms up and down. Good, in a swimming motion. That's it. Staying really steady, stable through the whole body. Strong in the center. And then lower everything down. Sit back onto your heels, rounding through the spine. And then we'll walk out into a plank for leg pulls. So now lengthening out, 2 long arms. You can also modify this on your forearms. 2 long legs. Let's take the feet in parallel. And then just bring your weight as far forward as you can onto your tippy toes. Now, center stays stable. Lift your right leg. Pulse back 1, pulse back 2. Switch sides. Left leg. Pulse back 1, pulse back 2, and switch. Right leg. Reach back 1, reach back 2, and switch. Left leg. Reach back 1, reach back 2, and done. Lower your knees down. And you made it all the way through. Really great job on completing day 14. We are almost halfway there in our 30-day journey. So I will see you on the mat tomorrow for day 15. Bye for now.